Hey peeps, welcome back to my channel. My pigtails and I welcome you. My name is Drusilla Shay, if you don't know already. In today's video, I am going to be talking about and reviewing a ponytail that a brand called Insert Name Here has sent me. It's actually quite a popular brand. You've probably seen one of your favorite influencers rocking one of their extensions or units. So I'm really excited to be talking to you guys about it today. And I will also be styling it in different ways toward the end of this video. So make sure that you also stay tuned all the way until the end. So guys, let's get into it. So in case I didn't already mention it, the brand has sent me this ponytail for free, but I will always give my honest opinion. I love the packaging that it comes with. It's very fun and I like that about it. If you go on the brand's website, you will see that there's some personality there. It says at the top that everyone wants a pony, and I just think that it's cute packaging. And at the back it has their name, insert name here, and they also were nice enough to send me this quick slick product, which is supposed to help with stray hairs. Definitely necessary for any ponytail style. Now, as for the actual pony, they sent me the SHAYLA Ponytail. It's cute or whatever. So inside the packaging comes the ponytail, which is wrapped up in a net right now, and then also a scrunchie and some pins, so at least they make sure that you are prepared. Now, this is the actual ponytail. This is in the color black brown. So as you can see, this pony has nice loose spiral waves. It's actually really soft, guys, and I love how smooth it is and how easy it is for me to get my hands through. I'm not feeling any type of tension so far. No well, there's just one piece of hair, but other than that, no shedding, which I love. Also, the way that you secure this ponytail is with Velcro, and I know that some people have had issues in the past with Velcro in their hair, because obviously if it gets stuck to your hair, it's not a fun time. But I do have a little hack that I use to kind of like avoid that whole situation, because trust me, I've been through it with other ponytails, so I know. But just stay tuned to the end for that as well. This also has a comb on the inside, so we love that. Okay, so just a little bit more about their pieces. On their website, Insert Name Here says that our synthetic pieces are made of a premium quality, lightweight vegan fiber from Japan and accurately mimic the look and feel of human hair. This is synthetic hair, but it feels incredibly real. Also, this is a 26-inch ponytail, and it is heat resistant up to 320 degrees. Guys, the quality of this is actually really great, and I'm super excited because you're definitely getting what you pay for. This comes in at $54. Just to put it out there, Insert Name Here doesn't only sell ponytails, they also sell extensions, wigs, and hot hair tools. So if you're interested in anything on the site, not only this ponytail, you can use my discount code Drusilla for 15% off site-wide. I do want to address something because I know that this can be a deterrent for people buying hair online. When it comes to color matching, it's not always the easiest getting the actual color that you desire online, and sometimes it may say 1B, but you go online, you buy it, you come back, it's just a different shade. Something that I really like about Insert Name Here is that they actually have a color matching quiz on their website, okay, and they know the nuances between different browns, different blacks. I like the way that their quiz works because it really helps to get you and match you to the closest color of your natural hair. But if you want, you can also DM them directly if you need help with color matching. Okay, so I'm sure you guys are ready to see how this ponytail looks on me. As you can see, I have 6 cornrows at the front of my hair, and the reason why I do that is because it's ponytail season. When I'm doing ponytails, especially back to back to back, I like to give the front of my hair a break from all the constant gel and brushing. And I think that this is also a great method for blending in the hair, because if your hair is neatly braided up in the front, you don't really need to worry too much about blending. The reason why I put it in a braid is because it helps for me to get my hair really compact And so I'm gonna put it in a bun now. If I were to put it in a bun and not do the braid, it would just be a bigger bun and it would just make it a little bit harder for me to put the ponytail on. Right now I'm just using the pins that they gave me, which is really good quality. Like, what in the world kind of diesel pins? This is my little trick for when I'm using any ponytails that have Velcro in them. You take a headband or just a scrunchie that's super thick, and then you wrap it around the ponytail. The reason why I do this is because now when I'm gonna be wrapping the ponytail around, I won't be wrapping it around my actual hair. I'll be wrapping it around the headbands. So if it gets stuck or if it's latching onto anything, it will latch onto the headband and not my actual hair. Before I put on the ponytail, I do want to try their quick slick product here. Starting at the roots, brush your flyaways and baby hair down. Okay, so I did not know that this was a brush. I thought it was one of those like flyaway sticks. Let me see if I could do some in the back. See if it works in the back. Oh, let me dip it in again. Okay, it's laying flat. I like that. That's all how I was looking before. Oh, the only thing I don't like is I think the applicator, because like it keeps, oh no, it keeps getting stuck in my hair. I'm literally just going to see if some comes out like this and just use my regular schmegler brush. Okay, we nice and flat, y'all. I like this. I like to see it. So let's get into this styling. She's cute. I love it. I didn't really get to use the Velcro feature because I think that my perimeter here is a little too large. Okay, I mean, not saying that my ponytail isn't secure, but it's not secured with the Velcro because I couldn't fully wrap it around to get to the Velcro part. I still feel like it's secure, but if you do experience what I'm experiencing, just add a few more pins so that you don't have to worry that your ponytail is not secure. Okay guys, so here is another way that you can style this. This just requires some rubber bands or some scrunchies. I am going to show you guys another method for those who may not want to use the headband trick, and also for those who just want to actually be able to fully use the Velcro feature. I'm going to still put my hair in a braid because obviously my natural hair does not blend in with this ponytail, so I have to conceal it in some way, shape, or form. And just to be extra secure, I am going to be tying up the end of this braid with a rubber band. Now, instead of me doing a whole bun this time, I'm actually just going to tuck in the bottom of this inside my scrunchie. So it's time to secure this ponytail. Okay, y'all, so this is a whole other look. The only thing with this method that I showed you guys is that if you really move around too much, you could see my little bun. You just want to make sure that if you are going to be using this method, you're careful. That's why I like doing the first method that I use, because a lot of times my bun never makes an appearance when it's like fully wrapped up. The reason why I also didn't leave it as a full braid, like if I didn't tuck it in but I just left it like this, is that I feel like it's more likely to show, you know, like look at that. Of course guys, feel free to add hair accessories, just have fun with it. Something I love is the fact that I've manipulated this synthetic ponytail so many times. It still feels nice and soft, no shedding. I can vouch for the quality. You're definitely getting what you pay for, okay? You're getting inches, you're getting quality, you're getting fun, you're getting a new personality. Like I said, if you're interested in buying anything on their website, don't forget to use my discount code so you can get some coins off, okay? Use code Drusilla when you are checking out so that you don't have to pay full price. if you don't have to. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really appreciate you all. I am not gonna leave this video, of course, without asking you to subscribe. Join the bright side, and please go ahead and turn on that bell notification button so that anytime I post, you will be up to date with me and my ponytails. Again, thank you all. God bless you, and I will see you in my next video. Deuces.